I hope you're doing well. So in this video, I'm gonna show you my weekly outlook for the next week. It's gonna be a really brief video, so let's get into this. So news calendar, we don't have such a big news event for the next week, and we have one high impact news event on Tuesday and at 10 a.m. So Wednesday we don't have a news event, and Thursday we have a one news event, unemployment claims at 8:30. So Friday no news event. This is DXY monthly chart, dollar index, and previous month we closed above the previous month's candle body, so which indicates me it might be the potential market structure shift in weekly chart, and we see the price had inverted that weekly inversion fair value gap and traded into that and displaced from that weekly inversion this in orange color and displaced from that. And also we see there's another bullish fair value gap. So I didn't highlight that fair value gap, so because I didn't want to dead draw a lot of things, and I just want to make my dead chart clear. So for me, if the price inverts any BC or CB and also creates another BC or CB, and which overlapped together, and that's kind of really bullish the pattern for me. So it traded into that and displaced it and closed above this the previous week's candle body, so which makes it bullish order block and Q chart. And this month I expect bearish buys on NQ, and because as I mentioned earlier, I'm bullish on dollar index, so and my focus is here. It could potentially trade to that previous month's low. So weekly chart, and we see the gap and in weekly chart and the monthly chart, which overlaps together. So I think next week it could trade to that weekly gap, and if the price is really bearish, it should through that this fair value gap and treat this as an inversion fair value gap. So maybe it might support the price and sending the price higher and higher. So this is the daily time frame. So in the daily time frame, we see there, and there was a bullish the fair value gap. It was supporting price and sending it higher and higher, but it inverted that fair value gap. Now what I expect is it should treat as an inversion fair value gap. So that's why I highlighted this in orange and also named it daily inversion fair value gap. So the below that the previous month's low, we see there's the daily buy side imbalance and sell side inefficiency. So that's the draw on liquidity for the next week. My plan for the next week is I'm bullish on dollar, and because it closed above the previous month's candle, and also it displacing from the weekly imbalance and closed above 10, which gives me bullish scenario on dollar. So weekly outlook is Monday, no major news, and I'm expecting low volatility market condition. So Tuesday, it can potential high of the week formation, and Wednesday, likely continuation of bullish trend, and Thursday, unemployment claims release and possibly volatility spike could occur. So Friday, I expect and TGIF and set up, and that's all, guys, and thanks for watching this video. I will see you in the next video. Sorry guys, I forgot about to mention my current account status. So previous week I took 3 trades, two losing trades and 1 winning trade, and net I made $292.82.